Life insurance is supposed to protect your loved ones. But most people make costly mistakes without even realizing it. And those mistakes can leave families with debt, confusion, and zero financial protection. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 life insurance mistakes and how to avoid them. Welcome to Learn to Insure, your trusted guide for simple, clear insurance education. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to choose the right coverage and avoid the most common life insurance traps. Let's jump right into the first mistake people make. Starting with a big one. Mistake number 1, waiting too long to buy life insurance. Prices go up as you get older, and health issues can make coverage harder or even impossible to get. A 30-year-old might pay half as much as a 4 or 5-year-old for the exact same policy. So if you're thinking about coverage, don't delay. It won't get cheaper later. Mistake number 2, underinsuring yourself. A lot of people only buy enough to cover funeral costs and forget about income replacement or debt. A common rule of thumb is 10 to 15 times your annual income, but your needs may vary. Think about your family's lifestyle, mortgage, and future goals when picking your coverage amount. Mistake number 3, depending only on your employer's life insurance. If you switch jobs, quit, or get laid off, that insurance usually doesn't follow you. That's why most people add their own personal policy as a safety net. Mistake 4, not naming a beneficiary or forgetting to update them. Life changes marriage, children, divorce, but most people never update who receives the payout. Review your beneficiary list every year to keep things accurate. Mistake number 5, signing a policy you don't actually understand. Learn the difference between term life, which is affordable for most people, and whole life, which includes a cash value but costs more. Ask questions, check exclusions, and make sure you know exactly what you're paying for. Here's a bonus mistake: not shopping around. Prices and coverage vary widely between companies. Checking at least 3 to 5 quotes can save you hundreds of dollars every year. Use online comparison tools or talk with an independent agent to find the best deal. Avoiding these mistakes means more confidence, better coverage, and real security for your loved ones. Let's recap. Don't wait. Don't underinsure. Don't rely only on work coverage. Update beneficiaries and know your policy. Take a few minutes this week to review your policy, a small step that can make a huge difference. Life insurance isn't just a product, it's financial peace of mind. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Learn to Insure for more simple insurance guides. Check out our next video to keep learning how to protect your money, your family, and your future. See you there.